Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to learn about all the resources that is available to you in Tradetron and where to find them. So before we start with the creation of the strategies, we'll first identify the sources which can help us when we create these strategies. So just scroll down to the bottom to the web footer of the website, and here you can have something as resources. Now once you click on it, a drop down appears with certain options. Now the first one is blogs. Now if you click on blogs, you'll be taken to the Tradetron blog site, which has a number of articles written on the most asked feature of Tradetron: TSL, backtesting, how to correct with Amy Broker. There is also some tutorials available. We have explained advanced setting in depth, so you can browse around, and if you are stuck anywhere, you can just take a look at blogs, and most of the queries should be solved. Now, if you can go to videos as well, if you click on videos, we have uploaded a couple of videos here on the education series regarding the Greeks, SMA based strategy, RSI based strategy. If that's not enough, we also have a YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I highly suggest it, because we are uploading videos like every week. We have a playlist which has more than 40 videos on how to create different strategies on Tradetron. You're bound to find anyone that will help you. And if that's not enough, we have something called as strategy templates. So if we go on the resources, we have something called as strategy templates. So this is basically like a free template of most of the videos that are covered. So if you have watched any video and if you want the template, you can just scroll here, and here is the link to template. Just click on it and duplicate it. So it's basically like a free template which you can add or edit as per your choice, so that you do not have to begin from scratch. Now, apart from this, we also have a keyword documentation page. So, in while building the strategy, let's say you do not know or you are not aware of how a keyword is supposed to be used. Let's say you have a doubt on how LSM is supposed to be used. So, if you click on it, you'll get how the LSM is supposed to be used with an example. And sometimes we also get certain links as well to help you, in getting the best usage out of these keywords. Now, apart from these, we have the FAQ. Now in the FAQ section, we have answered as the name suggests, the most frequently asked questions. There are a lot of it. You can, divide it by category or browse by category, and all your questions, most commonly asked questions, should be answered here. We also have a Q&A forum. So in the Q&A forum, if you click on it, you can create an account here. And let's say you want to ask a question regarding fine strike. If we search fine strike, all the questions that have been asked regarding fine strike is answered. So if you want to find strike basis on delta, you have an article here. So if you want to check some of the questions, you can check here, or if you want to ask new questions, you can ask here and the team will answer. Now there are two ways to get in contact with the support team. One is through the chat support, and another is via the support ticket or email. So you can create a ticket here, and the team will respond to it in 1 to 2 business days. Now this is all that is needed for you to create these strategies. These are all the links and resources available. Now let's cover some of the basic stuff about Tradetron. So the first is pricing. So if you want to check the Tradetron pricing, all you need to go is scroll down and click on the pricing page. So in the pricing page, we have the plans listed along with the exchanges. So you have to note that if you want to trade MCX, you need to get the MCX plan. Likewise for CDS and Nasdaq. And if you are shifting to a yearly plan, you will get a 17% discount up front. So you can browse around, compare different plans, and choose the one that works best for you. You can also go to something called a strategy stats. Stats is basically a list of all the strategies that are available in Tradetron in the marketplace, and it's basically ranked, or we can filter out based on your requirements. So let's say if you want to find strategies which have low capital, you can filter it out like this, and check the returns as well. So there are multiple ways you can filter it out and choose a strategy that you would like to deploy. And always deploy your strategy in paper trading, and after you're comfortable, let's say after 1 2 weeks, then only go live auto or live trade with it. So these are all the resources and features of Tradetron. In the coming videos, we'll learn about how to use these resources, or how to create strategies, and you'll get an idea of how Tradetron works and how powerful actually the Tradetron's condition builder is. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned.